Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Helpful answers. Peel off the seal on the back of the Apple Store gift card to reveal a QR code alongside a letter code, similar to what you would see on an iTunes gift card. Open the Wallet app and tap to add a new pass. Choose to scan code to add the pass. Scan the QR code you revealed on the gift card.
Let's help you make your mark.
To make purchases from the App Store, iTunes Store, or Apple Books, or buy iCloud storage, you need an Apple ID and a valid payment method. You can typically use these methods with your Apple ID, Apple Pay, where available, store credit, from redeeming gift cards or from adding funds to your Apple ID.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Add money to your Apple ID balance. Open the App Store app. Tap your photo or the sign-in button at the top of the screen. Tap Add Funds to Apple ID. To add funds instantly, tap the amount that you want to add. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the purchase.
Let's help you make your mark.
Transfer in 1 to 3 business days to a bank account. Go to your card info on iPhone. Open the Wallet app. Tap your Apple Cash card, then tap the More button. Tap Transfer to Bank. Enter an amount and tap Next. Tap 1 to 3 business days. Confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. Wait for the money to transfer.
Take our lead.
Apple gift cards are solely for the purchase of goods and services from the Apple Store, the Apple Store app, apple.com, the App Store, iTunes, Apple Music, Apple TV, Apple Books, and other Apple properties.
Take our lead.
An Apple gift card makes it easy for owners of Apple devices to start a new subscription or add to an existing one, making the iPhone, Apple Watch, and iPad more useful. For those new to Apple, a gift card can be used to buy Apple accessories and devices also.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.